welcome to another video. So, Flux has been making quite some waves these days. I mean, it can generate such good images with proper text, accurate anatomy, and overall, it can create really great pictures. It's fully open source as well, which is a very cool tool, to say the least. But using it is a challenge, because not everyone has a big GPU to run it locally, and if you want to use it for free, there aren't many ways to do that, since almost all of them are either a big hassle to use or are limited in some way. I mean, you can't always spin up a Colab interface, as it's not reliable and may not work most of the time. Plus, you may not get all the workflows and other stuff you might want. But today, I have something that's actually quite easy to use, fully free, and can generate some great images quickly. This time, it's TensorArt. TensorArt is a really cool platform that allows you to generate images with a bunch of models like Stable Diffusion 3, SDXL, hunyuan-dit, and things like that. And now they've also added the new Flux model. So, we can now use it for free, effectively. They give 100 free credits daily. Each Flux image generation takes about 1 credit, depending on the resolution you create, and not only that, you also get 20 free Flux generations apart from the daily credits, which is really cool. They also have an image-to-image option, which is great. You can create images at any resolution you want, which is also very cool. Now, let's dive right into it, and I'll show you how you can use Flux through it for free. So, first, just go to TensorArt, and you'll see this page. Now, you'll see a bunch of things here. But first, sign up. You can use the link in the description to get an extra 100 credits on top of the daily credits you receive. Anyway, once you're signed up, you can just click this Flux Dev option here. This is the Dev model, which is much better than the Schnell model. Just click, and you'll see this page. Now, over here, you'll see some sample images, and on the right, you'll see the prompt box and configuration to generate the image. Here, you can enter the prompt for what you want to generate. One thing that's also kind of cool is the Enhance Prompt option, which automatically enhances the prompt for you if you're not good at writing prompts like me. Then, over here, you can set your image's width and height, so the resolution of the images is also in your control. There's also the batch size, or images per run option, which basically means how many images will be generated. Then, there's also the CFG scale and seed option, which is also very cool. You can also see the free credits it will cost over here. For the first 20 generations you do in a day, regardless of the configuration or resolution, you're not charged from your credits, which is cool. And after that, you can use your daily credits, which is also pretty cool. Now, let's generate an image of a person standing in a street with a sign saying Flux. Let's click the Enhance prompt over here, which should make it look even cooler. Now, over here, let's change the width to 1024 by 1024, so it's a square. Let's keep everything else the same. Now let's hit the Generate button over here. So, it's being generated now. It's actually pretty fast, so we should get the image any moment now. Let's wait a bit. Okay, so it's here now. It looks pretty good as well. You can also see the image here, which looks very amazing. You can download it through here as well. It's really cool. You can also publish it to your profile, where other people can see your creations and engage with your posts, which is kind of cool. Now, let's generate another image over here. This time, let's create 4 images at once, and let's make an anime image this time, where a John Wick-like character is holding a knife. let's hit the Enhance option over here. Okay, it's now enhanced. So, let's hit the Generate button. Alright, it's generating. Since we're making multiple images at once, this will take a bit longer. Let's wait. Okay, it's done now. And you can see that this image looks really good. I mean, what more could you want? It's fully free and can generate such good images with text, accurate anatomy, and everything you want in any resolution, which is very cool. There are also multiple workflows by users that you can try, which is also really cool. You can upscale your images with it, which is very cool as well. Now, let me show you how you can do image to image if you want to try that. To do that, just click on this Create option. This will open up this page. Over here, select the Image to Image option, and now choose the image you want to convert. I've selected a meme here. Now, enter the prompt for how you want to change the image. Next, in the Model section, change the model to Flux-1 Dev or Schnell, whichever you prefer. Once done, you can select the denoising strength, image size, and other settings, which is also very cool. Now, let's hit the Generate button. Okay, it's generating now. Let's wait a bit. Okay, it's done, and you can see that this looks extremely good. I mean, it has everything we wanted. So, I think this is one of the best options if you want to use Flux for free without limits. And not just Flux, you get a bunch of other models and features you can use. For example, you can upscale the images you want, and not just that. You can also train your own models, which is very cool. There are also some affordable pricing options if you want to purchase credits. There's also some great contests going on where you can participate and get some more free credits as well. You can see some of the images that I have generated with it, and it looks really very cool. It has good text, good anatomy, and everything. I can't believe that I was able to make these things for free. So, go ahead and start using it. Make sure you use the link in the description to get 100 free credits as well. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating to my channel through the Super Thanks option below, or you can also consider taking up a membership on my channel through the Join button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.